Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, it's been a while since I've done a video like this. Also in this video, I've got a very important announcement to make, so make sure that you pay attention, you listen up, because you might get some educational content coming your way during the course of this video that I'm very sure that you'll be able to put to fantastic use. So I actually done a video like this just before Christmas. We're coming up now, it's almost halfway through the year, can you believe it? Halfway through the year, it's incredible. And around about this time again, I like to reflect on the previous 6 months in this case, to see where I am in terms of my business plans, and really to look at my KPIs, to look at where my businesses has grown, because I have multiple businesses. Also, you are going to hear some banging because this is a brand new apartment block, luxury apartment block. So there is work taking place, so it's impossible at the moment to do videos and not hear some kind of work taking place somewhere. So I think it's important, guys, that you reflect on, you know, where you've been in terms of your performance, in terms of your journey over the last 6 months. Me personally, my first 6 months have been incredible, absolutely incredible again. In terms of trading, you know, my trading is so consistent now at this stage, making money every single week. Yeah, we do have red days. That happens. As a matter of fact, we took a red day on Friday, but overall, you know, every single week I'm coming out overall profitable. And also, you know, my businesses, the Sambora trading community is still growing. As a matter of fact, over the last 5 days, we've had quite a few people joining the Sambora trading community. So again, that's a demonstration of, you know, just continuing to grow different elements of a business. I also have a brand new Telegram group. That's absolutely fantastic. That's really taken off. That's been in place now for 4 weeks. And out of 4 weeks of trading, so 20 days of trading, we've had 2 red days, okay, which is incredible. 2 red days out of 20 is absolutely incredible. And this is only for swing trading and intraday trading. So at this point, I do kind of look at all my businesses. As I said, I've got a number of different businesses. A number that you know about, a number that you don't know about. And it's a great time to reflect just before, you know, we hit peak summer, right? Because it is getting warm now. As you can see, I've already got a fantastic tan. So I would like to reflect, go through my business plans, go through my accounts, all of which are up to date, of course. So we have some very interesting things happening towards the end of the year. And that's why I like to do this, okay? I like to reflect on what I've done in the last 6 months. Identify what I've achieved, where I could maybe pick up a little bit more momentum on different things, and then also look forward to the rest of the year. And again, guys, you know, it's important to do this, right? I've done this now for years since starting this business. As a matter of fact, 5 years I'm in this business, 5 years of trading, which is incredible. As a matter of fact, I had a moment last week. As a matter of fact, last Tuesday, I was out doing my normal 10K run, and I just had a moment where I realised it hit me. It hit me like a punch in the stomach. You know, I've achieved literally everything that I set out to achieve in the last 5 years. So 5 years ago, I started my journey, and I had said to myself, by the time I'm 50, I want to be retired in Spain. And I've actually done it. I've done it a number of years earlier than expected, because I am 50 this year. Can you believe that? 50 years old, I can still run 10K every single day, you know, every single day. So this is what I'm saying, guys. It's all about mental strength. Nothing can beat me, okay? Nothing can beat me, you know. It's impossible. You know, when you've lived on this planet for 50 years, you go through a number of challenges in your life. You know, everybody does. Personal challenges, other different types of challenges. And it gets to the point where you're either broken or you're unbreakable. And that's me. I'm simply unbreakable. And that's what I'm talking about. You know, I put a number of videos out about the psychology, human psychology. You know, nothing can beat me. Literally nothing. Okay, sometimes a hurdle is maybe placed in my way, but I either jump over it, I either dig under it, or I smash through it. That's my mindset. And it's not being arrogant, okay? It's not being arrogant. It's not. You have to have this mindset to achieve great things. If you want to achieve greatness in your life, you have to have this mindset. Nothing can beat me. You know, and nothing can beat me. I mean, I'm literally the happiest person on the planet. Nobody's happier than me, right? Because I've achieved greatness, okay? And you can achieve greatness as well, but you have to have this mindset. And this is what I'm saying. Everything that I've spoken about since I started this journey, it's all about psychology. You know, nobody can beat me. I don't care who you are. You cannot beat me. I will just keep coming back again and again and again. If I get knocked down, I'll get back. And I keep getting back up. And you know, I've been getting back up so long now that I don't know what it's like to stay down. I can't remember. It's been so long since I got knocked down and stayed down that I can't even remember what that's like anymore. So it's important, guys, that you have the same mindset. And again, it is not being arrogant. It's about having a strong mind. And you have to train yourself to develop this approach. It does take time. It's going to help you in life. It's going to help you in business. It's going to help you in the stock market. But that's where I'm at. You know, I'm simply unbeatable. Nobody can beat me. You know, nobody can put something in my way and for me not to somehow navigate my way around it. So whether that's the stock market or a business idea, whatever it is, you know, me personally, I put all of my energy into myself, okay? Any of my energy doesn't go anywhere else, it goes into me, it goes into myself, because I'm not stupid, right? I'm not dumb. I'm not gonna waste any of my energy on anything else. No, my energy is too precious, as yours is as well. Your energy is also precious. So therefore, if you don't put your energy solely into yourself, you're a fool. Like, how dumb are you to put your energy elsewhere where you should be putting it into yourself? This is what you're going to face, guys, when you're very, very successful. You know, when you become successful, you can get all of these barriers in your way. For example, now, you know, there's a guy banging downstairs. You know, for a lot of people, they would be angry now. They would be discontent. Their mind would be elsewhere because they'd be focusing on that banging sound, but not me. I couldn't care less if it was next to me in the table banging. It still wouldn't stop me from doing what I want to do. And this is the attitude and this is the mindset that you must take forward. Okay? So thank you for your contribution. Again, it's not what happens to you. It's how you deal with what's happened to you. So a lot of people will be sitting here now going nuts, screaming and shouting because they're trying to do a piece of work and they're getting interrupted. Not me, because again, I am unbreakable. I will just laugh this off. I will work around it. And if you want to be successful, guys, this is the attitude that you must take forward. I have some very exciting things happening towards the end of the year. We're going to close down the Sambora trading community in the UK and we're going to bring it out to Malta. You know, that's why we're in the process of getting all the accounts up to date, all the accounts in South America as well, and there's something very, very big happening towards the end of this year. Next month, I'm so excited for next month. We're renting a boat. We're going to go out on a big boat out into the Mediterranean Sea. I'll make sure I'll put that up for you guys, and I want you guys to get motivated. That's the reason for this video today, is for you guys to get motivated. Be unbreakable, my friends. Be unbreakable, as I am right now. As I am right now, that banging is not stopping me from doing what I want to do, and that is the attitude that you must have. I will see you guys again very soon for more videos. He's banging even harder, I'm speaking even louder, because that's the attitude that you must have. See you guys again very soon.